A car dealership client customized the rear seats of a 1995 Acura Legend Coupe, remove the original car seat cover and mail it to us. I received the package today, let's open it and take a look. The seat cover must have been burned by a cigarette butt. Let's choose a matching leather color card. Our leather materials are all purchased according to the original best-selling models. Start by disassembling each piece of the seat cover. Mark the position of each piece. Carefully cut along the seam line. Lay the cut pieces flat on the leather. Draw the position of each piece. Cut out the pieces along the drawn lines. Sew the joining parts of each piece together. Our seamstresses are very skilled. Double row sewing for stronger support. The production is completed. Can you tell the difference from the original car seat? Packaged with white film to prevent the seat cover from being damaged during transportation. Our packaging is based on customer requirements, in order to ensure that the seat cover is not damaged during transportation. Use simple packaging and keep volume and weight as small as possible. Finally wrap it with tape and the packaging is complete. Are you looking for seat covers for your car? Find me and you won't be disappointed. Bosses who want to cooperate, please feel free to consult for quotation.